Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a very delicious sauce for rice or yam. So to start with, right here we have some cleaned chicken. I just added some curry powder, garlic seasoning, chili powder, tandoori powder, Himalayan salt, bouillon powder, and I'm just squeezing some ginger juice and also some garlic. So I'm just going to give this a quick mix and I'll marinate it for an hour. I'll set it aside to marinate. And right here we have purple cabbage and bell peppers. I'm going to wash all of them, slice them. And also we're using some carrots, onions, purple onions, and some garlic as well. So now they are already washed. I'm just slicing them. It's a very delicious vegetable sauce that will go with anything. So now all the peppers are already sliced, as you can see. I'll set that aside and I'll go ahead and cut up the carrots. And next is the purple cabbage. I just washed it and now I'm going to slice that and I'll set it aside as well. Now it's time to add some oil into my pan. Right here the oil is heated up. Now I'm just adding some chicken that I already marinated. So I'm going to fry this chicken for about 15 minutes to make sure it's really cooked. So now I'm just flipping them, and after that I'll take them out of the oil and I'll reduce the oil because I'm going to start the frying of the vegetables. So now I reduce the oil. It's time to fry the sauce. I just added my chopped garlic and onions. I'll let that saute for a little bit. Next, I'm going to be adding some curry powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and first off I'm adding the carrots because they are harder. So I'm going to add the carrots and just let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes because it's the hardest of all the veggies. And next I'm just going to add some bouillon powder as well. Feel free to add more seasoning and salt, a little bit of salt, and then our purple cabbage is next. Now here comes all the bell peppers, the green, yellow, orange, and red. I'll just let that cook for like 1 minute before adding the already fried chicken. And now I'll stir everything together and it's as good as done. So like I said, you can pair this with your white rice or your jollof rice. You can use it as side dish. So lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of tomato sauce to that. This is already prepared sauce, but it's optional. And I'll just stir that and it's all done. Dinner is served. So thank you all for watching till this point. And please kindly subscribe if you have not. So look at that, see how nicely prepared and enticing and deliciously delicious looking that is. So I will say bon appetit and thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.